This is the Thermaltake View 270. Great looking case. It's got the modern design where you've got the tempered glass side panel and the tempered glass front panel, kind of that fishbowl look. Kind of the dual chamber design. We've got the mesh on the bottom for additional airflow, which is nice, as well as the additional mesh on the front for additional airflow, and then the mesh on the back. There is one thing that I don't like about these cases that I've identified, but it's not a showstopper, and it's the perforated metal on the side intake.